Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I'm redoing the MOJO Day Trading Room video recap for the day. Let me show you what went on. Wild, crazy, great morning for Monday for the MOJO Day Trading Room. It's July 20th. Let me show you what went on here for this morning. We nailed some amazing trades. Let me show you. Follow my mouse and the pen right here. Here's the announcements area. So I want to show you, if you come to a day trading room, is this a room easy to follow and make money and do picks? So let me see. At 9:11, we filled on EXCL right here at 590, and then the next is 77, added 72. Nugget, we got some nuggy nug. Hey, you don't mind if we watch the playoff right now on the British right here? We have Leishman, Zach Johnson right there for the birdie, for the win. And he might be taking home the claret jug. Excuse me. So Nugget right here, we sold at 442. Excel, we sold at 73. Rebuying back Excel at 68.69. Go in, baby. Zach. There you go, my man. Birdie, thank you. Sold some Excel, 74, bought at 68. Nuggets sold 46. We'll rebuy back only under 40. Sold 79, flat 83 on Excel. So right there, 9:26 before the market even opened on Excel, we nailed a beautiful trade. So right now it's at 85. Look at that Gonzo at 87 right there. It's going through right now. So I'm going to trade that. Let me just get in here. So it's going to go through. I'm going to buy right now at 86, 87. Watch it go through. Very big size. That's a very large signal right there. It happened to us many times already today. And I'll show you that. I just want to take a little snap of that. And here's the first time it happened. So you see that's at 86. See that? Look at it happen right there at 70. See that? So you want to buy 69 right before that signal of 484,000 shares. You know, in this day trading room, it's very easy to get filled. You had some time to buy there. If you hesitated, you missed it. A lot of controversy out there, you know, with a lot of rooms to choose from. If people say, hey, you know, if there's a day trading that hits at 95% accuracy, you should turn the other way. Well, I hit about 96, 97% accuracy on over 250 to 300 trades a month. I've been doing that for 3 years, so they can't knock that anymore. And as far as scaling down and averaging, I only do that in very strong stocks, not stocks that are red. And there's been examples of scaling on red stocks where they're going down. And yes, they can keep going down and you can get really burned. However, stocks that are strong in motion on the day with tremendous volume usually stay in motion because the trend is your friend. So that buy at 469, you got filled right there. See it? 469, you filled. Now it's 573. So it blew through that in a matter of a minute. In less than that 1 minute, it's 574. Now it's 75. Now it's 76. And that's a great signal. And that's the kind of signal you've seen right there at 87. So you'd be buying right here in anticipation of still going through that signal. You don't see it now, but it is there. And that's how you trade. Mojo's been done for the day, so we're done. So let me show you what else we've done here today. So trading it like we did right there, only have Nugget left. And we're going to 559 rebuy trade number 3 on Excel. We're going to rebuy 550, filled 557, filled 559, sold 564, sold 570, sold 573 flat. Now we're going to go trade number 4. 550, that was sold there. 56. Now we're going to trade number 4, 550, 556, 57, filled 51, sold 73. New trade number 5, filled 571, sold 574. I folded that one. It came back to 66. I said, nah, we're not going to do it. It went right to 84 to 88. Then we got filled on the wow, 88, 81, 90, sold 92. Then we bought it 71, 72, sold 78. Then we sold Nugget 42. Now we're in trade number 6 on Excel. I called out buy 88, 89, sold 93. Average was 87, sold 93. Okay, Hulk trade play. We're going to hold some at 573 and lower, and you see it now at 85. Okay, so now that's the Hulk trade play that was called at 943. And one of the guys earlier said, is this going to be the green giant? Which I said, dude, I already called it as the Hulky. Check it out right here. Here, I called that as the Hulk earlier. It can't be both. So it is a great trade play. You don't get many of those each month. So now we're on trade 6 of that stock right here. We're up to trade 8. 561 filled, 5 sold 566, added 568, sold 572. So that one I added on the way up and I added on the way down. Holding some, buying small 66. Excel now at 56. Nugget 21 average, sold 5 from 556 to 65, sold 69, sold 74. Filled 2,000, boom, 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 flat, 576, have 11,000 at 405, sold it at 412, 413, Nugget, reback, bought 404, sold 410, amazing, average 399, sold back at 401, sold more 406. That's it, we're done for the day. All those trades right there, we actually traded a bunch today because we just couldn't stop hitting them. We have a show me the money day earlier. Let's see right here. So if you were in the room and traded today, you would have made money like this. Trader Deck 240 on Excel, Grant 183, Pez 590, Avery 473, Host 63, JT 114, 385, 375, 400, 560, 154. That's 15% on a micro account, 629, 473, 315. Woot, woot, let me see the money. Absolutely. Here's the poll from earlier. On that trading on Excel, the first trade of the day, 65% of the room made more than 100, 25% made 300, and 8% made $500 on the first trade of the day pre-market, that first one. Here's the other, what we got going on. The other poll I did today for the room, 720. We have 58% of the room has made between 1 to 5% on their account. 3 traders made 5 to 10%. That one guy actually made 15, and everybody else paper trading made money. The great thing, again, nobody lost money. So again, I have a 95% win rate on every trade. All the traders right here every day report in complete transparency how they make the money. Other rooms put out a thing like this, and they say, I told you to buy Excel at, what was it, 560, put a 20-cent loss on that, guys, okay, and then let it ride. And the stock never went there. It never even went close to there. It only went down a nickel. However, it rocketed up, and then it went up, down. We traded it 8 times. When are you going to take a profit? So the other rooms, it's very difficult to take profits and call out the sells. It's very easy to call a stock. That's the beginning winner of the day. I can go right to this list right here, and I can say, hey, here you go. Wherever it opens up, put a 20-cent stop on it, let it ride. This one as well. This one as well. And if you pick the top 4, odds are you're going to hit 1 or 2 of them, and then you're going to claim to be a hero. But that's not really how you can make a living and do that. Yeah, it's a great pick. I could do that. I could open up any stock trading program and look at the stock and say, here, that's going to be the big winner of the day. Put a 20-cent stop on it, but it's selling it and managing that trade, which is the hard part. And that's what I do in the room. So as a moderator, I'm only one guy, but I'm very easy to follow. I tell you exactly when to buy, how to buy them, and when to buy them. And what I do for the traders is I usually buy first. They're waiting for my second buy. So they know they're going to get a better price than me on the way down. And if on the way up, I'm buying it twice, they know it's going in the right direction and they're going to take a profit. So I'm leading the pack for the room. I'm the scapegoat. And I say that right here. for new traders. Only do this one trade, certain kind for the month, and it'd be very smart for waiting for my number buy as number 2 as your number 1. Okay. And these are the rules of the room, how we buy. I tell you exactly how to do the sequences for buying 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and 10,000 shares. I call out the trades, and that's exactly how it's done. So that's the money that was made in the room this morning. Great job, everybody. Alan, how'd you do today? I don't think I got Alan's down here. Is he still in the room? Let's go take a look at the open. See who's winning. What do we got here? Nice. Very nice. So we got that happening in the room. We got the good music. Only got about a quarter people left in the room, about 25. Everybody's pretty much done for the day. And that's it. So I wanted to show you a little bit about the MOJO Day Trading Room, a little bit about that stock and those signals that we saw and how we did that trade. And that's pretty much about it. Hope everyone had a good weekend this weekend. I'm going to move the room out of the way. Let's see what that Excel is. Very exciting, trading 58 million shares. Nugget is 386 by 387. JNUG 926 by 927. Low is 382, high 453. Have covered calls on that and the swing portfolio. Got some other stocks in the swing that are doing all right today. And the market's just very shaky, folks. A lot of stocks, I looked in the research this weekend, have very bad chart patterns and have been beaten up and are just coming back a little bit with the market, which doesn't reflect 18,100. Reflects stocks like Google being up 90 points. So figure what it is. The market's very shaky. It's got its own methodology, but all I know is it's orderly, and they will move it in conjunction the way that they want. In UWTI right now, oil looking to make a turnaround. And when these things do, they'll go up 3 or 4 days in a row. Same thing as Nugget. 3 or 4 days in a row, looking on that one. And that's pretty much it. So Mojo's going to bring it back. We're going to do the same exact thing tomorrow. Take a look at Zach. He's doing good. Don't want to keep it up. No, I don't want to get this one blocked. I don't want to play a lot of music. But I just want to show you what the MOJO Room does and how we make money and how it's easy to follow and how you can come and make money and build an account and create a job in 30 to 60 minutes every day and make money. If anybody has any questions, please give me a call at info@mojodaytrading.com. That's my email. Shoot me over an email. I'll answer any question you have. And Pro Trader Mike signing off. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much. Peace.